Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the world, and its impact will be far greater than what we see today. From daily tasks to complex problem solving, AI is poised to redefine how we live, work, and interact. As we move towards a future driven by AI, the technology will become deeply integrated into various industries: healthcare, education, transportation, business, and entertainment. One of the most significant changes AI will bring is in the healthcare industry. In future, AI-powered diagnostic tools will enable faster and more accurate identification of diseases. Algorithms trained on vast medical data will help doctors detect conditions like cancer at early stages, improving survival rates. AI will also personalize treatment plans based on individual genetics and lifestyle, making healthcare more precise and effective. Robotic surgeries will become more common, reducing human errors, recovery times. Virtual health assistants and AI chatbots will handle routine consultations, easing the burden on medical professionals and making healthcare accessible to remote areas. Education will undergo a profound transformation as AI tailors learning experiences to individual needs. Intelligent tutoring systems will provide personalized lessons, adapting content and pace to suit each student's strengths and weaknesses. AI will also break language barriers with real-time translation tools, making education globally accessible. By automating administrative tasks, AI will allow teachers to focus more on interactive and creative aspects of teaching. Moreover, virtual and augmented reality powered by AI will create immersive learning environments, enabling students to explore historical events, scientific phenomena, and complex concepts in engaging ways. Transportation will be revolutionized by autonomous vehicles, making travel safer, faster, and more efficient. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones will become mainstream, reducing accidents caused by human error. AI will optimize traffic management systems, easing congestion and lowering carbon emissions. In urban areas, AI-powered public transport systems will offer on-demand services, enhancing mobility. Additionally, the logistics industry will benefit from AI's ability to streamline supply chains, ensuring timely deliveries and reducing costs. Air travel will also see advancements, with AI enhancing flight safety, route planning, and passenger experience. In the business sector, AI will become a critical driver of growth and innovation. Wait, if you like this type of videos, just subscribe. Automation will handle repetitive tasks, boosting productivity and allowing employees to focus on strategic and creative roles. AI-powered analytics will enable businesses to make data-driven decisions, predicting market trends and consumer preferences with high accuracy. Customer service will be transformed by AI chatbots that provide instant, personalized support. AI will also enhance cybersecurity by detecting and preventing threats in real time. As AI reshapes the workforce, new job roles centered around AI development, ethics, and management will emerge, highlighting the need for reskilling and upskilling programs. Entertainment will be more personalized and immersive, with AI curating content based on user preferences. Streaming platforms will leverage AI to recommend movies, shows, and music tailored to individual tastes. In the gaming industry, AI will create adaptive gameplay experiences, making games more engaging and challenging. AI-generated content, including music, art, and literature, will become more sophisticated, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. Virtual influencers powered by AI will dominate social media, reshaping digital marketing strategies. Furthermore, AI-driven virtual reality experiences will revolutionize storytelling, allowing audiences to engage with narratives in interactive ways. AI's impact on daily life will be profound, with smart homes becoming more intuitive and responsive. AI-powered virtual assistants will manage household tasks, from controlling appliances to scheduling activities. Personalized AI companions will provide emotional support, particularly for the elderly and those living alone. In retail, AI will enhance shopping experiences with virtual fitting rooms and personalized recommendations. Financial services will also benefit from AI's ability to analyze financial data, offering tailored investment advice and detecting fraudulent activities. Despite these advancements, the future of AI also brings challenges and ethical considerations. Issues related to privacy, security, and as AI systems handle sensitive data, ensuring robust data protection measures will be crucial. Governments and organizations must establish regulations to prevent the misuse of AI and ensure its ethical deployment. The potential for AI to perpetuate biases present in training data highlights the need for transparency and fairness in AI development. Additionally, preparing the workforce for an AI-driven future through education and training will be essential to prevent widespread unemployment. AI's role in addressing global challenges is another area of immense potential. AI can aid in combating climate change by optimizing energy consumption and supporting renewable energy initiatives. In agriculture, AI-powered systems will enhance crop management, predict weather patterns, and improve food security. Disaster response efforts will benefit from AI's ability to analyze real-time data, enabling faster and more effective interventions. In scientific research, AI will accelerate discoveries by analyzing complex data sets, driving innovation in fields such as biotechnology, space exploration, and quantum computing. Space exploration and quantum computing. As AI continues to evolve, collaboration between governments, industries, and academia will be vital to harness its potential responsibly. Establishing international standards and ethical frameworks will ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. Public awareness and engagement will also play a crucial role in shaping AI's future, fostering trust and understanding of the technology. The integration of AI into society must be guided by principles prioritizing human well-being, inclusivity, and sustainability. In conclusion, the future of AI holds immense promise, with the potential to transform every aspect of human life for future. From healthcare and education to transportation, business, and entertainment, AI will drive progress and innovation, creating opportunities for a better future. However, realizing this potential requires addressing ethical challenges, ensuring data privacy, and preparing the workforce for new roles. By embracing AI responsibly and collaboratively, we can unlock its full potential and create a future where technology enhances the quality of life for people worldwide. The journey towards an AI-powered future is underway, and how we navigate it will determine the shape of our world in the years to come. Thanks for watching.